Magandang buhay mga ka-Spot TV Onliners and welcome to my show, ang Step Up with Jessa. Ikinagagala kong ibahagi sa inyo ang talk show ng bayan. At ito ay kakaiba dahil isa na namang guest. At syempre, ang guest natin for today, mga ka-Step Uppers, ay isa na namang beauty queen. And of course, she is from India, Ara India. Ang ating makakapanayam ngayon at pag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa kanyang pamilya, relasyon, inspirasyon, struggles at pag-asa dito sa kasalukuyang hinaharap natin ngayon. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa isang oras na puno ng saya at inspirasyon sa ating lahat. And of course, at this point in time, bago ko ipakalala ang magandang guest natin ngayon, panoorin muna natin ito.
Anupriya, originally from Aura, India, has been a participant of Dance India Dance and also became a badminton champion of Bhojpur district. She prepared her medical studies in Kota, and after that Anu went to the Philippines to pursue her pre-med course at Southwestern University in Cebu and continue her doctorate degree at AAMA University in Manila. She is also celebrating her success as the winner of Miss AAMA University 2019. Now, let's give a warm welcome to Miss Anupriya.
So eto na nga mga ka-Step Uppers, tawagin ko ng ating beauty queen na guest for today at syempre isa din siyang model. And siya din ay nanalo ng Miss AMA 2019 or Miss AMA University. And she studied her pre-med sa Southwestern University, Cebu. Ayan, and of course, she pursued her Doctor of Medicine at AMA School of Medicine. Wow! Siya ay walang iba kundi si Miss Anyo Priya. Hi, Miss Ano.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm very good. I'm very fine. Thank you. And how are you?
Of course, I'm doing good. And how do you pronounce your name, ma'am? Miss Anyo or Miss Anyo?
Miss Anupriya.
Yes. And are your parents both Indians? What do you call your Indians or?
Yeah. My parents both are Indians and I'm also like Indian.
How long you been stay here in the Philippines?
I already have been here from 4 years, and now like in the November or you can say December, I will complete my MD. Like I will not graduate, but I will complete, and after January I will start my internship. And then in 2022 January, I will be graduated from Amar School of Medicine finally.
And I hope that you can finish that course as soon as possible. Yan. So you are also a medicine student. Why did you choose that kind of course? It is your personal choice or it is your parents' choice?
No, actually that is my I can say the both my parents and also it's my choice, but my parents did not force me to choose that field or choose that field, so they just left on me like what I want or exactly what I want, because right now I'm not a little bit kid, so I'm just rely on my parents. Okay, mom, I want this one, papa, I want this one. So after growing after 18 and after I passed my elementary and higher, then I was thinking, okay, what I will do and what I was making for. So I was thinking about, okay, medicine is the good choice for me, and I was for me I have little bit faith about my right now I'm here, so I will not talking about only my country, but I can say about the whole world. I can I just really wanted to do about some world health. So this is the main good. I just choose the medicine, and of course in the future I will give my service to world also and my nation also and Philippines also.
Okay, so you stay here in the Philippines in more than 4 years, right?
Yeah, more than 4 years.
Yeah, so for now, you know also how to speak Tagalog.
No, I know a little bit like Derecho, like Para po, something like that. I know that's the when we use when we travel somewhere.
Yes. Would you please give us a Tagalog, for example, introduce yourself into Tagalog?
Oh my God.
Please.
Okay. Ako si Anupriya. like I'm just here in Manila, and then I was before in Cebu, so I know also little bit Bisaya. So there, like they teach us like
Okay.
Akosi, yeah, Akosi, like Gamay. Gamay means little.
Okay, Miss Anyo, introduce yourself into Visayan dialect, please.
Akosi Anupriya, and I am a medicina student. I will become a doctora.
So
That's all.
it's
I'm so sorry
for you.
about that.
Okay. Thank you. My next question to you: who supported you every time that you're joining the pageant, like Miss Ama University?
Like everyone supported me. My friends are there. Like they are very supportive to me. Like all the time. Like when I need them, and they will just say like, ready. Okay, what you want? Okay, I will go with you. So my friends are there. Also my teachers are there. Also like ma'am and ma'am gratitude, like also my friends Mel June, they are very supportive to me, and very much like supported my parents.
You are Miss Ama University 2019. So in the future, do you have plans to join into a higher pageant like Miss Earth, Binibining Pilipinas, or Miss Universe Philippines?
Yes, of course. I do wish I can join. So I just want to like like everyone has path, and everyone has like mentor. So ma'am is also my mentor. Everyone is my mentor. So they will just give me the seed, and I'm already planted. I will I will grow automatically.
Ayan. So for now, Miss Anyo, you're still single, or you have a boyfriend already?
No, I am still single.
So what kind of men do you want to?
Kind of man. I don't
And
know.
who knows, we have a lot of viewers.
Right now, right now I'm not focusing on my relationship and for the boyfriend and about the marriage and everything. Now, right now, I'm just want to concentrate on my studies, because like I have only like 1 years and 1.5 years to study. So I will just complete my goal first, and then I will look after my things.
And Miss Anyo, would you please give us, for a change topic, would you please give us an example to your talent dancing, or you know how to sing also?
No, like that's it. Like I know how to song, but it's not my hobby. Like I really like how to song, but what is my talent? I am a badminton champion. Badminton yeah. So
Yes,
I'm a
yes,
badminton
I know.
champion in India. Also, when I was in Cebu, so I was in I am a Cebu
Wow.
champion in badminton. So, and also I know dance. Then little bit I know how to play guitar, and I know swimming. They like yeah. So these are my talent.
Wow. You love sports too.
Yeah.
If you have given a chance to give a message to your parents or to your family, so what would be your message to them?
My message to my family, friends, and everyone, like everyone know, like I'm Anupriya, and I'm doing here very good. I'm in Philippines, and Filipino are very good and very supportive, and in the situation of the COVID, I'm doing good. I don't have any problem. I'm just maintaining all these things. I am follow all the rules. I'm not going in the lockdown, in the quarantine. I'm just obey in the rules. I will rely on the rules what the government give us. So basically, and I'm good, and hope, and I'm thinking like you will also stay in home and safe, and maintain your, especially hygiene, maintain your weight management also, and be good in your home and take care.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for the very wonderful message to your family. So if you have given a chance to give an advice regarding what happened to us today here in the Philippines, like our MECQ, do you have any message to all the people here in the Philippines, but also all over the world? Just to avoid having,
Yes, I have like a message, like my simply message is just obey the rules and follow the rules, what the president and what the government will say to you. Because if like someone is tell about anything, so they will tell about us, like they are not telling about you. So like just think about like own. So if you will take a responsibility to your own, so you will do anything. So just like maintain your quarantine, just do in your home, stay home and safe, and do not like obey the rule, do not like unfollow the rules, like you are going outside, you are like not using your mask and everything. So you will just like maintain your things and maintain also the social distancing.
Thank you, Miss Anyo. Thank you for having us tonight.
Salamat po.
Thank you
Thank
also,
you
Miss
too.
Anyo.
And you know, like and in my country, in India, we will say namaste.
Namaste.
Yes.
Just to end up our conversation, do you have something to promote
Yes,
for your
like
supporters?
yeah, for my supporters, like I will always be grateful and I will always be thankful to whom like who supported me, and I will do and I will like for my parents, for my country, for my state, for my city, like from the beginning, from the childhood, I was like making them proud, and I like little bit, and from like I don't know exactly like I should say or not, but I just made it proud little bit, and hope like I will make more proud.
So, thank you, Anyo, for having us tonight.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you so much. Keep safe and God bless. Ayan, so isa na namang kwento ang inyong natunghayan at talaga ng mga ating napulutan nito ng mga magaganda at nakaka-good vibes na kwento. At muli maraming salamat po sa pagsama nyo sa akin for today, for this evening. At sana patuloy po kayong magsuporta. Ayan. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And of course, pakishare na rin po upang sa ganun ay patuloy po kayong ma-update sa aming mga susunod na mga segment show. Ayan, and of course, dito sa Step Up with Jessa, pwede nating pag-usapan ng buhay, pag-ibig, pamilya, pangkabuhayan, maging sa kalikasan at buhay politika. Kaya kung ikaw ay game na, tara, pasok ka dito sa Step Up with Jessa. At of course, at this point in time, bago po tayo tuluyang magpaalam, nais ko po munang pasalamatan ng ating mga sponsors, dahil kung hindi dahil sa mga sponsors na to, hindi po magiging successful ang ating show. Muli, nais ko pong pasalamatan ng ating official sponsors. We have the Glamorous Beauty, and of course, Alroj Trading, Hazel Torres Makeup Artistry, ang Star Entertainment Production, Jessa Flora Bumatay Salon, and Jessa Flora Bumatay House of Fashion, and of course, we have Top Model Ambassador Secretariat. So eto na po mga ka-step uppers, sana po meron po kayong natutunan dito sa segment na naman natin na ito. At syempre, maraming salamat po sa ating guest na si Miss Anyo. Ayan, beauty queen ng Miss AMA University 2019. Ayan. So eto na po, taluyan na po tayong magpaalam. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, my name is Jessa Flora Bumatay, ang laging maganda at ang gandang pangmasa. Bye, keep safe, and God bless us all.